guys, we're going to start a new type of writing today, and it is a personal narrative. So you might be asking, what is a personal narrative? Well, guys, all a personal narrative is a story about something that's happened in your life. Okay, so because the word narrative means story, and personal would be you. So it's a story about something that's happened to you. Okay, it needs to be a true story. So we're working with a nonfiction. This is nonfiction because it needs to really have happened. Okay? So this is a picture of me and my kiddos. It doesn't have my husband in it, but it's me and my kiddos. And this is kind of what we're going to be writing about, family. So family is a very important part of our lives. All right? So that's something called a truism. It's something that is said to be true, whether they're a good thing in your life or a bad thing in your life, because sometimes families aren't a good thing if you're not in a good family. But I have a very amazing, wonderful family, so they're very important in a good way to my life. And down here, this is what we're going to be writing about. Write about a special time you have had with your family. All right, so I will always usually give you, when we're doing a personal narrative, sometimes even expository, I'll give some kind of a picture, I'll give some kind of statement like this, and then I'll tell you exactly what to write about. Okay, so write about a special time you've had with your family. We're going to start planning the exact same way that we did with our expository text, where we explained what kind of animal we wanted to be. This time, you're going to set up your journal with a circle map, and we're just going to brainstorm some special times that we've had with family. That's all. That's all we're doing today, is just thinking about some special times you've had with family. I would try to come up with probably about 4, and I'm going to come up with 4 that I can, there's the bell, that I can use when I am writing mine. Okay? So, let's see. I always think about the holidays and families, and so Christmas Eve is always a special time where my whole family gets together. So I'm just going to write Christmas Eve, and we have a lot of special traditions and things that we do, and it's just a good time we all get together. Let's see. A good time that I had last week was teaching Ty to cook, my son. That was a good time. Let's see. There was one special day we had just lost our dog, and she had passed away, and it had been a while since we had had a dog, and my husband came home with a new puppy, and so I'm just going to write new puppy. Let's see. And then me and my family, we do a lot of camping. We didn't this summer because of Corona, but we like to camp. And one time we were camping down in Port Aransas on the beach, middle of nowhere, like 20 miles out. Like cell phones wouldn't work. And it was sunrise one morning, and we were swimming, and a pod of dolphins came beside us and swam beside us. So I'm going to put sunrise dolphins, and I'll know what that means. Okay, so I've thought of 4 special things that are special times that I've had with my family. I probably could think of tons more, but just you really want to think about a moment in time, not a whole day or a whole week, just one little moment in time that you can write about, okay? Because it's going to be really important that it's just one little speck of time so that we can create all kinds of details and let people really experience that moment with us and feel the emotions and smell the smells we were feeling and all those kind of good things that we can write about, all right? So don't pick something that happens over a big span of time. It's just one little moment that was special with your family, okay? So think about that when you're kind of coming up with your ideas. So what I'm going to have you do, make one of these in your writing journal, brainstorm your ideas, and then you're going to attach a picture and show me your brainstorm circle map, okay?